Today we're going to talk about the Inspire Nation Fix My Insurance Agency process setup and implementation workshop. Did you know that it is a poverty busting workshop? What does that mean? Well, here are the hard cold facts, guys. 1 out of every 3 Americans lives at or below the poverty line. Most of those people own some form of small business or work for someone that owns a small business. Insurance is no exception. Many small insurance agency owners are barely keeping the doors open and the lights on. So what are the top 4 ways to bust the poverty cycle? Number 1, get the right education. The right education allows a person or business owner to have or provide good employment that provides enough steady income that over time they can save and acquire enough assets to bust the poverty cycle. Number 2, have a steady income. There are plenty of people that have built wealth without having a formal education. What they do have is a skill set that allows them to create a steady income flow that over time will bust the poverty cycle. Number 3, mentorship. No one breaks the poverty cycle by themselves. You must surround yourself with wise counsel that helps to guide your actions and your decisions. Number 4, develop poverty-busting habits. Your habits guide your life. You have to identify, implement, and constantly reinforce the habits, including business processes, which are habits, that will guide your life and your business. I grew up hearing my father constantly say, "Everyone is only 2 bad decisions away from poverty." As I grew older, I realized that those decisions could be to not pay attention in school or to ignore educational opportunities, to commit a crime, to start using hard drugs, to abuse alcohol, to not develop a marketable skill, to not take advantage of opportunities that presented themselves, to become lazy and irresponsible, or to remain lazy and irresponsible. And of course, there are others. I want you guys to think about what I'm saying. Am I pouring it on thick? Absolutely. Am I doing it on purpose? Yes. You see, I created the Fix My Insurance Agency workshop as a poverty buster, but the majority of agents signing up are agents that I would already consider to be above average. These are agents that want to acquire the knowledge, experience, and wisdom that comes from starting a scratch captive insurance agency and building it into a group of partnerships that produce close to $1 billion a year in new and renewal premium. So where are the agents and agencies that could benefit the most from this type of poverty busting workshop? Well, they're using lack of money and time as an excuse to stay in their comfort and excuse zone. They're denying they have a problem. So a workshop like this never makes it past their ego. They're continuing the cycle of not taking advantage of opportunities. They're burying their heads so deep into their problems and issues that they can't see how a life-changing workshop like this can pull them out of the poverty cycle. I think I've made my point. So who should attend the Fix My Insurance Agency implementation workshop? Well, good agents and agencies that want to learn how to be even better. Average agents and agencies that want to learn how to be above average. And below average agents and agencies that want to break the poverty cycle. What will the Fix My Insurance Agency workshop provide? 2 full days of step-by-step process implementation and setup. We're going to focus on the 23 core insurance agency processes that it takes to build and maintain a successful insurance agency. There are no lectures. There are no sponsors. The workshop will change your insurance habits and, more importantly, the culture of your agency. Where do you go to find out the details, the agenda, the dates? Go to www.fixmyinsuranceenagency.com. Again, that's www.fixmyinsuranceenagency.com. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.